The dog in the gray pickup has been there for at least 10-15 minutes, barking its head off. It would be really nice if this didn't take place regularly in the cove. Yet, it does. I wonder why that is, Bowen. Why is that? The owners should be ashamed of themselves, and a community that cared might make them that way. That's my thoughts anyway. It's a large dog, a sheepdog, I think. Oh yeah, the windows are open. Still, unnecessary and neglectful and inconsiderate of the rest of the cove. But convenient, easy. And without consequence in this oblivious community. Oh, they're not in the library. The library's closed till noon, so they're not likely to hear this thing. And therefore it doesn't matter. I think that's the message. It only matters if it bothers them. And it probably doesn't. They're probably used to the dog barking all the time.